AI is everywhere right now. But for most business leaders, the question isn't, what is AI? It's, how do we actually use it to make work better? In this video, we'll break down how to make AI practical, where to start, what to avoid, and how to turn AI's potential into progress. Think of AI as a coworker who handles the repetitive stuff. When done right, AI gives you time back for what really matters: solving problems, being creative, and collaborating with your teams. One of the biggest mistakes is thinking AI will magically fix things. It won't. AI will not fix broken processes. If steps are unclear, AI shows the pain. Pick one real problem, measure the result, then do the next one. To really drive growth in your organization, start with targeted quick wins. Focus on the high-value but time-consuming tasks like analyzing data, organizing information, monitoring equipment, or efficiently routing customer inquiries. When people see AI making their jobs easier and uncovering valuable insights, they stop resisting and start asking, what else can it do? That's when adoption starts to scale, and AI becomes part of how you work smarter every day. Your business won't crash if you don't use AI, but over time you'll fall behind. Delay means waste, slower cycles, and missed deals. Competitors will be faster, more efficient, and better at keeping people engaged. Getting started might seem overwhelming, but you can start small. Pick a real problem your team actually faces, clean up just the data you need, train your people, and celebrate the small wins. That's how AI becomes part of your business. Don't build AI for the dashboard, build it for the floor. Too many AI projects are built for reports, not reality. Ask the people who do the job, what slows you down? What annoys you every day? Solve that, and your AI project will succeed. AI doesn't need to revolutionize every aspect of your business. It just needs to make work less frustrating. Help your people focus on what they're best at, and you'll see real, lasting impact. Ready to make AI tools practical for your business? Ultra can help you get started with a clear AI strategy and readiness plan tailored to your team. Reach out today.